the metal additive manufacturing process, electron beam melting. In short, EBM has made it possible to produce complex near-net shape components, especially with difficult to machine metals such as alloy 718. Alloy 718 is a cost-effective superalloy with supercapacity to withstand severe working environments, which are very typical of aerospace and energy sector. Today, more traditional production methods are used. But if you use EBM to process alloy 718, you could make parts which are lighter and yet more durable. However, we have a catch here. The as-processed EBM components contains some imperfections, which make them unreliable to use. However, you can remove those imperfections through appropriate post-process treatments, in short, post-treatments. And this is where the focus of my work lies. We have found out a way to optimize this process. The post-treatment includes hipping and heat treatment. And by experimenting with the gas pressure, temperature or time, we have found out that you can cut down on the typical post-treatment time to less than half, while still improving the component reliability.